Your claim, in total, is for £1,927. In law, this court is able only to award you £499 for the television.
He's not having his stuff, then.
Are you prepared to give the property back, yes or no?
By the property, do you mean the pram that I paid for?
All of it.
No. Well, I can't give you the pram. He can have everything else, but he's not having the pram.
Thank you very much. Your mother is belligerent in the face of the court. This court awards you £2,203.
And what about the board?
Goodbye, madam.
I'll sell it all.
James won his case and was awarded the full amount of his claim. Defendant Emma was only partly successful and was awarded £499. Let's find out how both parties felt about their day in court.
What about your board?
You did it out of the good of your heart.
I did it out of my good of my heart?
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
You did not ask for a
penny.
penny.
You liar.
She will not give anything back. She's done it to numbers of family members before. She will not give anything back.
She had no intention of ever giving it back anyway.
What kind of mother am I? If I put everything in writing with my son, then they'd have cause to say I'm a bad mother. You're better off staying with her. You're better off, even though you tell everybody, right, that you don't want to be with her. You're better off staying with her.
Of course I do.
Because you're as devious as what he is. And I thought more of you, James.
Yeah, OK.
What's wrong? Do you know what, actually? It's made me feel at rest, because if they have got no respect for me that they think they can take off me all their lives, then good luck to them.
That's how you really feel. I understand.
I don't want my children in an 8-bed shared house with half-naked bodies getting out of showers and things like that.
People around.
And there was her there, which my daughter
I'm
cried her eyes out.
I'm a responsible dad. I know how to take care of my kids just as well as you do. And believe you me, believe it or not, them kids, regardless of where I would be or where they are, they want to be around their dad. Now, whether I was in shared accommodation or not, I wanted them children there with me. They needed to spend time with me.
Our daughter even told you.
No, not being enforced.
Our daughter told you that she didn't want to see her, and you still continued. You've discarded her and her feelings.
I've not
because it was about you, Martin.
No, it wasn't about me.
It was about you.
It wasn't about me. It's all about... It's the Gillian show. It's all about you. And money and wanting this, making demands.
I've done everything
My children didn't see me for a month and a half.
That was your fault.
Why?
Because you're
telling me I've got to go to your house.
Or go to the park.
I've got to go to your house to see the children,
I said
which
to the
would
park,
confuse the kids.
Pick them up, take them to the park.
I would take the kids to the park.
I said take them to
for a couple of
soft
hours.
play.
That's not good enough.
I said take them to soft play.
Full days with my children. My children should be able to come to where I'm staying,
not in an
so I can cook them
shared
lunch.
accommodation
So if the weather's changed, there was no strangers there.
There was strangers. It's an 8-bed shared accommodation. I don't want my baby and 4-year-old daughter there.
And I was there temporarily until I got my place sorted.
Yes, and then they went.
Well, she's laughing now. I mean, she is a joke, Judge.
I'm here for what they've done to me, Judge, OK? I'm here for this reason and this reason only. Not to be intimidated by them in any shape or form. I got a £3,000 loan out for James, right? Wait a minute,
2018 in April, madam.
That's correct, yes.
I know. I read the paper.
Correct. They begged me to take a loan out for them.
Your claim, quite simply, is that that gentleman over there duped you into being a guarantor for a loan.
That's correct.
They took that money, they ran off, they've left you destitute, and
That's
you
correct.
want your money back. And those people over there,
yes, Judge,
the ones who describe you as evil incarnate, say that that is all a pack of porkies. Correct?
Yes,
correct.
Judge.
You never had a penny off her.
No, Judge.
And she is here for one reason alone. You tell me what that reason is, according to your claim, and be quiet.
It's just revenge is all it is, Judge, and make a mockery of us.
Do you have any reason to believe that she's seeking revenge against you, Hazel?
She hates me.
I love my children, Judge.
Oh, whatever.
None of it.
I love my children, Judge.
Whatever. I can.
You can. Look at me.
I can.
Madam, this is important. Hazel. In your response to the claim that's brought against really your partner and you, you made clear that you've had a very, very difficult childhood. And that
No
Mum,
way.
Julie, has done things to you in the past
No way.
that you find very difficult to talk about. Would you say that that's a
Liar.
fair characterisation?
She's a liar.
I'm asking Hazel. Nobody else is talking. That be right, Hazel?
She knows exactly what this man has done, and she's just covering it up for the sake of cover-up's sake. Yes?
Who is a thief?
You're a thief.
Yeah.
You're a thief. I don't even know if you're
You're
in
a rum-face, that's what you are.
No, how could you do this to me for the sake of a stranger? You're the reason why I'm here to support you, and you take up for scum like him.
I'm being honest.
You couldn't spell honest if you saw it.
Anita, what would you like to add? Anything you'd like.
Well, what she's been saying and him, it's all lies. I do regret ringing up. I should have done it in the proper channel. But I was angry.
No excuse. It's OK. Do you miss Linda?
No.
Fair enough.
I never, ever want to see her again. Ever.
Fair enough.
She's hurt me too much, too many times.
I understand.
Over the years.
The only time I'll probably see her, Your Honour, again will be probably when my mother passes over.
I doubt it. I've got nothing to say. The truth will come out in karma. Trust me, it will.
I told nothing but the truth, and the judge believed me.
I did not take her DVDs. No way. Why would I? I've got no DVD player. I disagree with it. Because I've lost something what was dearly beloved, what I wanted. I've lost the Kindle, what my partner brought me. That was the last thing he ever brought me.
He's still alive.
I don't care, I'm not with him. But that was the last thing he brought me.
You gave me the Kindle, Anita.
Liar! I'm not working out with her. She's dead to me. I'm sorry, but she's dead.
I think Judge Rinder is absolutely gorgeous.
I wish I never came.
Well, I'm sick of the crocodile tears. You know, that doesn't wash with me now. She needs to know today I mean business, and this has got to stop because it's tearing our family apart. It's no good crying every time that she's been found out. It's got to stop. Otherwise, she's out. She's out of the house for good.
All I can say is how sorry I am. And that, you know, she would be the one lost without me.
She would be lost without you?
Yeah, she would. Is that true?
No, I wouldn't be lost without her. She's ungrateful, Judge. All I need is help around the house to tidy round. It's a big house to tidy. She lives there rent-free.
Are you joking me?
No.
Are you literally joking me? I've literally been like a housewife in that house since being young.
Well, you live there rent-free. You've got to help out.
The start of this case really is that you believe that you are being brought to court by your mum for revenge.
£3,000 loan, that's what it's for. Not revenge. £3,000 loan, and I got my bank statements here.
Julie, I
My
know
bank statement. I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the judge.
They would see it as well.
I'm talking to the judge, not you.
Yes.
Not you.
You can speak to the judge all day.
The judge I'm talking to, not you.
James, you be
I've
quiet.
got all my evidence
Yes,
here in black and white, what you've done to me. Every single penny of it. No. They were befriending me. Because we hadn't spoken, Judge.
I'm your daughter, you idiot.
Judge, please, can I explain myself? I hadn't spoken to him for quite a few months prior to this. Then they befriended me, and about a month after they befriended me, Judge, they asked me to take out a £3,000 loan for them.
Yes, I didn't speak to her for
which I did, Judge. And again, I stress, Judge. I done it for my grandchildren, not for them, Judge. For them to have a better quality of life.
Excuse me?
Right? That is why...
We had a good life,
Judge, that is why I done it.
You got a better life when you brought up your own kids.
That is why I done it, Judge.
Julie, at the time you stood as guarantor...
Yes, Judge.
You told me that you had a conversation with the bank, with the loan company, and they explained to you the consequences. Is that right?
That's right, Judge.
Did you draft a separate document with James and Hazel, making clear that if they defaulted on the loan, they would have to pay you back.
That's the mistake I made, Judge.
You didn't draft a separate...
No, that's the mistake I made.
Thank you very much.
With regret, Judge.
James, Hazel, is there anything you'd like to add before I give a ruling?
She'll never hurt me again. She never ever will. Or my children. I'll never give her the chance, ever.
Judge, I'm here for the loan. I'm here for the...
She's always bullied me.
Not for them. I'm here for this, Judge, not for them. I don't want bailiffs to my house and I don't want my furniture taken off me.
Thank you very much.
You should have kept the money then.
Also, I should have kept the money.
I should have kept the money. I bought a lovely bike, a shed, a patio. You should have done that to us then.
That bike is 2 years old, Judge.
You. I mean, we trusted you.
I trusted you, too.
No, we trusted you.
I trusted you, too.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.